Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get a plotting keyboard feature in any Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as keyboard feature. On the first list you'll see the application, just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. On opening, it will show you some instructions. Just click on OK. Now here you will see a tons of options. So I'll not make you bored by showing each and every options. So here you can enable the notification also, but right now I'll just keep it as it is. And you will see here enable plotting button. Just turn it on. Click on OK. Now just turn on this keyboard feature and move back. Now you'll see here one plotting icon is appearing, so you can drag it and place it anywhere. So now you will see here you can lock the position of this respective button, and even you can change the color of this respective plotting button by clicking on it. So you can select different color depending upon your needs, and even you can increase or decrease the size of this plotting button. So you can see. So now once your all settings are done, just minimize this application. Now you'll see here one plotting button is appearing. So now let me click on it. Now you can select your respective keyboard, whichever you want to use. So by using this cool application named as keyboard feature, you can easily get a plotting keyboard feature in any Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.